Hello and welcome to another new episode, and today we are going to discuss about acid, bases and salt. It's a science lecture, so let's get started. One by one we will discuss. First we are discussing what are acids. Substances which turns blue litmus solution red are called acids. Acids are sour in taste. Let's talk about bases. Bases are the substances which change red litmus solution blue are called bases. They are bitter in taste. Next we are having mineral acids. Mineral acids are obtained from minerals like sulfates, nitrates, chlorides, etc. are called mineral salt. Example, we are having H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, HNO3 nitric acid, and HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. We are also having organic acid, which means acid which are obtained from plants and animals are called organic acid. Example, citric acid which we get from lemon, absorbic acid, tartric acid tamarind contains, lactic acid and acetic acid. We also have hydronium ions, that is H3O+. They are formed by reaction of hydrogen positive and H2O. It is because H plus is unstable, that's why they are known as hydronium ions. We are also having strong acids, acid which dissociate into ions completely are called strong acid. Example, H2SO4 or HCl. We also have weak acid, acid which does not dissociate into ions completely are called weak acid. Example, citric acid, acetic acid. Now we are going to see some of the chemical properties of the acid. Chemical properties of the acid are: first, acid react with active metal to give salt and hydrogen gas. Acid react with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate to give salt, water and carbon dioxide. Acids react with bases to give salt and water. This is called neutralization reaction. Last point we are having, acid react with metal oxide to give salt and water. Now we are going to see some of the chemical properties of bases. First is reaction with metal. Certain metals such as zinc, aluminium, tin react with alkali solution on heating and hydrogen gas is evolved. It also react with acids. Bases react with acid to form salt and water. Indicators. Indicators are substances which indicate the acidic or basic nature of the solution by their color change. We say them indicators. Now we are having some universal indicator. Universal indicator is a mixture of indicators which show gradual but well marked series of color changes over wide range of change in concentration of hydrogen ions. Now we are going to see pH scale. It's a scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in the solution. The pH of neutral solution is 7. When the scale says it's in 7, not more or not less, it's a neutral solution, not acid, not base. But when we see a solution hydrogen is lesser than 7, it is known as acidic solution. When hydrogen ions are greater than 7, we say them basic solution. So that's it for today. We will continue more in the next lecture. If you like this video, hit the like button below. Share this with all your friends. Like this, I will keep on posting new videos. So to get the updates, please subscribe the channel. It's 100% free. Thank you for today.